Hey everyone! The iQOO Pad6 Pro arrives as one of the most ambitious Android tablets iQOO has ever released, blending flagship-grade hardware with an aggressive focus on gaming and productivity. While many Android tablets still struggle to justify their premium pricing with meaningful software experiences, the Pad6 Pro feels like a device that genuinely understands its audience. It targets gamers, creators, and multitaskers who want raw power, immersive visuals, and desktop-like flexibility without moving to a heavier laptop ecosystem. The centerpiece of the experience is unquestionably the massive 13.2-inch 4K display. This screen immediately positions the tablet in flagship territory, offering incredible sharpness, rich contrast, and outstanding color reproduction. Watching high-resolution content on the Pad6 Pro feels cinematic thanks to Dolby Vision support, and the 144 Hz refresh rate elevates everything from gaming to scrolling through apps. Gaming is where the Pad6 Pro truly attempts to separate itself from traditional Android tablets. Powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor, iQOO has clearly invested heavily in gaming optimization beyond simple hardware specifications. Features such as game super resolution, super frame enhancement, and improved touch response create a noticeably more responsive gaming environment. Frame interpolation helps supported titles appear smoother, while the enhanced touch optimization improves reaction speed in competitive games. Another major advantage is thermal management. Tablets with powerful mobile chipsets often suffer from heat buildup during extended gaming sessions, leading to throttling and reduced performance. Battery life is another highlight. The enormous 13,000 mAh battery gives the Pad6 Pro excellent endurance for both gaming and productivity. Audio performance also complements the immersive nature of the display. While iQOO heavily markets the visual side of the experience, the combination of a large cinematic panel and likely enhanced speaker tuning creates an entertainment experience that feels premium. One area where the Pad6 Pro becomes especially impressive is value positioning. Considering the hardware being offered, the pricing in China appears highly competitive. Of course, there are still limitations inherent to Android tablets in general. Even with improved software adaptation, some applications remain better optimized for traditional PCs or iPads. Certain professional creative tools may not fully leverage the hardware potential, and some desktop-class workflows still feel more natural on Windows or Mac OS. For gamers, the Pad6 Pro offers one of the most powerful Android tablet experiences currently available. For media consumers, the massive 4K 144 Hz display delivers an immersive viewing experience that rivals premium televisions on a smaller scale. For productivity-focused users, Origin OS 6 HD and desktop-inspired features make the device far more versatile than traditional entertainment-first tablets. The iQOO Pad6 Pro ultimately showcases how far Android tablets have evolved. Instead of simply chasing specs, it combines elite hardware with meaningful software improvements and long-lasting battery performance to create a genuinely compelling flagship tablet experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.